Hey guys, I bought this pack of Cascade from Dollar Tree, and believe it or not, this is the first time I've used Cascade or anything in the dishwasher. I normally just squirt some dishwasher liquid in there and let it run. So I heard that that's not how you're supposed to do it. So I want to clean out my dishwasher, and I took all the dishes out because I just use it for draining the dishes. So you're supposed to put it in this little holder here, I think. Let's see. Well, what is this for right here, though? Oh, that's the rinse. Okay. Is it gonna open? Is it gonna open on its own? All right, let's put a little Clorox in there. Y'all let me know. Y'all, let's put some out. I like the way Clorox smell. All right, let's close it up. Don't say nothing about it, y'all, because I don't ever use it. All right, and hot start, what that mean? Let's do heavy wash, huh? Heat dry on. Let's do heavy wash. If it work, I'ma clean it. Oh, I got to turn the switch on. Hold on. See, that's what I'm talking about. How you get a, see what I'm saying? There it is. Y'all heard it? All right, guys. So that's what I had, Clorox and Cascade.